You might be aware that Frog have brought out the Frog 44 as a replacement for the Frog 48. If you would like to know a little bit more about the difference between the two, then this video is for you. Hi, my name is Steve from Fox Cycling, and today I'm going to quickly take you through the main differences between the Frog 48, which is the older model, compared to the Frog 44, which is the newer model. So, they are quite similar, but a few differences. They both have the same 16-inch wheels. They are both targeting children between the age of about 3 up to about 5. They both have no gears, all the same good components, but you'll notice with the Frog 44, the frame is smaller than the Frog 48. So you'll notice that the bottom bracket on the Frog 44 is a little bit lower than the bottom bracket on the 48. This means that smaller children, or children with a smaller inside leg measurement, can better be comfortable with the Frog 44. The 44 is about 200 grams lighter than the 48. It comes in at around about 6.4 kilograms. You will see that there is very little difference. The chain ring is the same size. You'll notice on the 44 that you can also get the handlebars up higher as the child grows, but you get the same close reach brakes, the same adjustment on the saddle. So there isn't that much difference between the two. Forgive my neighbours, they're a little bit noisy. So come and check it out. Of course, Frog are no longer making the 48. They're only now making the 44. They come in all the same colours: orange, pink, blue, spotty, red, green. But anyway, if you have more information, I'd love to answer your questions. My name is Steve from Fox Cycling. Check out our website, foxcycling.co.uk. Have a wonderful day. Take care.